If you want to see how I turned this wig from this hot mess to this using fabric softener, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so this is what we're starting with. This is a synthetic wig from the Janet collection. I forgot what it was called. It was way longer when I first got it. It was like 30 inches, but I cut it because it was too long for me. So, and when I cut it, I butchered it. So it's a mess. So it's a lace front, and you can part it anywhere. It has combs and adjustable straps, and I'm gonna try to revive this wig because as you can see, the ends are burnt and crusty looking, and that's not what we want. So we're gonna start by brushing the hair out, and then we're going to fill the sink up with hot water. So next we're gonna be using a cheap shampoo and fabric sheets. Okay, so now we're adding the fabric sheets. Fabric sheets have fabric softeners in them, and because the wig is half synthetic, regular shampoo won't calm and soothe the fibers like fabric softener will, because it's like clothes in a way. So when we put the synthetic wig into the water, we're not going to scrub it or anything. Now, as you see me doing, I'm just rubbing the fabric sheets together in the water to get the fabric softener out. But when we put the wig in the water, we're not going to rub it, we're not going to scrub or anything. We're just going to leave it in the water so it doesn't tangle up on us, and we're going to leave it for 10 minutes. So now we're going to detangle the hair and just get all the knots and stuff out. The ends are still kind of bad, but they're not as bad as they were before. So it's easier to comb through it. So now I'm going to cut the hair. Yeah, I'm using safety scissors to cut the hair. That's all I had. So I'm also going to be using the shearing blade, and that's pretty much the only tools I'm going to be using to cut this hair. I'm going to just take my time, and we're going to see what the result's going to look like. I wanted it to be like a blunt type of cut that is even all the way around, and so that's the type of style I was going for while I was cutting the hair. Now right here you can tell one side's kind of longer than the other, but that's cool because we could go back in, we could fix that, which is what I'm about to do. So I was trying to pluck the hair, but it was really hard. I barely got any hair out, so I just gave up and stopped. And I actually went back in with my thinning shears and just thinned out where I thought it was too thick at. So now I'm just going back in with my flat iron, and I'm bumping the ends and just straightening the hair out. So I'm basically just making sure the ends don't still look raggedy, and I'm giving it a little bit of style too. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished result. I just went in and brushed the edges down a bit so I could be able to find them when I put the wig on. And as you can see, this is like a whole 360 transformation. Look at the ends, like that's crazy. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.